Okay, I'm out here in the San Felipe Pueblo Indian Reservation at the Black Mesa Casino. The casino's closed, but it was only $10 to stay here, and I get to use the dump and water. No electric. There's a convenience store, and I spent $8 on snacks. You got ginger beer and root beer. And it's super quiet here. I figured it'd be quieter than the rest area, which is like 15-20 miles north of here. And I can use the dump, but I really need the water because my tank's empty. I'm out of water pretty much. I only got 6 gallons left. So I get to fill up my water tanks and dump my black water tank and my gray water for $10. And it's quiet, super quiet. Truck stops over there. There's horses running around. I think they're wild horses. I heard them last night. I haven't seen them too close, but they came through our camp because there's footprints, hoof marks here. And I heard them. I could hear them in the night. Two turkey vultures here at the casino. Okay, here's my shower, and I got my clothes washer in here, and this is how I'm going to wash clothes. I got the generator running outside. We're boondocking here, so we're off the grid, and the generator's running the power, and I got that plugged in. So first I need to put my clothes in here, and water and soap. And I get the water from the shower right here. Okay, so now I'm adding water, and it takes about 4 gallons minimum is what I found to fill this up. But I got basically all the socks, all my underwear, most of my shirts, and a couple pairs of shorts in there. And I'm going to throw in my washcloth. And wait for this to fill up. Here's the generator. Okay, so now I got it plugged in. And it's filled up with water. Gonna add my soap. I got this biodegradable soap here. This is the dryer, spinner. Got the soap in there, got the water, probably 4 gallons. Maybe, yeah, 4.5. Close it up. Then say it's on normal. Set the wash time, and it should just start right up. Running just off the generator, so I'll run it for 15 minutes. There it goes. Okay, it's done. So now I put the clothes in the spinner here. This will spin them pretty dry. I can't fit, it doesn't fit all the clothes that you wash in one load in the spinner. It probably do it in three loads, but it only takes a couple minutes, like maybe 3 or 4 minutes to spin in here, if that long. And you add fresh water during the spin cycle to do a rinse, and it spins that water out. So I'll put probably like 3 shirts and a few pairs of underwear, something like that in there. Put these shorts in there. That's almost about it. Maybe a couple more things. Okay, and then you put the top on here. Keeps them from flying out. Close that up. And then we run the spinner. We'll just run it for a couple minutes. It goes wobbly for a second. And then it stabilizes. It's spinning really fast. And the water is going to come out here. I'll just drain it into my gray tank. Okay, so we'll just let that spin for a couple minutes. And then you add fresh water in through here and spin it. I guess I could just do that now. It's coming out clear now. And then they're pretty dry. I mean, they're actually really, they're not bone dry, but they smell clean too. I'll just put them back with my dirty clothes for now. They're really dry. These are mostly quick dry stuff. It's not cotton. Here's some cotton. So you can see it's damp. Like, it's definitely damp. You couldn't squeeze any water out with your hands, but it'll only take 10 minutes outside and it'll be totally dry.